You look good, Janie.
Yeah.
You do. You always do. Your hair's shorter.
Longer.
I like it.
Jane was married to Jake for 19 years. They have 3 children together. They've been divorced for 10 years. Jake is now married to the younger woman he was having an affair with while he was married to Jane.
Joe, you are so lucky Jerry is dead.
Thank you.
You don't have to bump into him.
Oh, that's true.
They both have moved on with their lives. And for some people who are divorced, there still are these lingering feelings they have.
And you waltz back in and,
Charm everybody.
I've never really known how to live without you.
Jane also becomes very close with her architect, who's a very good guy.
OMG, I thought he'd never leave.
What are you doing here?
And then everything takes a kind of a crazy turn.
And it's all just a little bit of history repeating.
Oh, God.
I'm having an affair with a married man.
You're not saying.
Oh, yes, I am. Turns out I'm a bit of a slut.
It's one of those situations where I imagine a lot of people that are divorced imagine what if, and it actually happens to them.
That I'm now the other woman.
He was yours first.
True.
It's stunning to her that at the same time she's having this affair, she should happen to meet somebody else. But that's what it's like sometimes. Things don't always happen as you plan.
Oh, my God.
Alec and Steve are both so incredible in their roles that you kind of root for both of them the whole time.
I haven't had fun in almost 3 years, Jane.
Hey, there's your ex-husband. Uh-oh.
Not a great time to be feeling groovy.
Oh, Jane? Adam.
Writing about husbands and wives is always interesting, but I think writing about ex-husbands and wives is kind of even more interesting.
Let's see if we can make this work.
We can't, Jake.
Can we just hug?
Oh, God. Okay. No, see? Too much.
Okay, good note.
It's Complicated, a film by Nancy Myers.